Well, welcome back. As you can probably hear, the football is on. The World Cup is now underway. England won yesterday. Argentina have just been smashed by Saudi Arabia. And basically, I've got to fix my car. So they've got a free kick. Denmark have got a free kick right as we speak. Lighting's a bit dead in it, as you could probably tell. And oh, it was a wonderful ball, but no one was on the end of it. Plan of action today. Get said part that's faulty off my car. Walk the dog round to grandparents, because they have oven cleaner, and oven cleaner is recommended to clean the part. Clean the part, come home, and either A, fit it, or B, wait till tomorrow, depending on what the weather's going to be like, because I can't really leave stuff off. I've had breakfast, all that jazz, so yeah, it's a pretty straightforward day. The recent video didn't do too well, guys. The trying the prime drinks clickbait video did flop, unfortunately. It's been up a couple of days, only got 6 views. But what can be said? You know, it is what it is, and I'm not going to fret about it, hence why I'm back today. But yeah, it's time to stick the old shoes on, go outside and have a blast. So, see you in a bit. I was just getting the old toolbox out of the car. I found this wonderful hat. But somewhere, I'm pretty sure I got oil on it. Hence why it's in the car. But I don't know why I've left it in here, because there is no oil anywhere to be seen. So, it doesn't fit because of my hair, which is a shame. Do I look like a dork? Probably, yeah, so I might leave it on, I might not. See what happens, I suppose. So basically this, just, oh, pull it up there, pull it up there, and it just comes out. So that is what we've got to take off. That's called the EGR valve. And as you can see, it's like leaking, so it's not ideal. It's all over the turbo. As you can see, I've just unplugged the mass airflow sensor, unclipped the old air hose, and the box is down there. Fucking bolt there. Right, so I managed to get said bolt off with this fucking weird ass bolt, but using these, so it was a bit of a bodge job. And what I didn't expect is the pipe just completely came off between these 2 points, and you can see, I think that's the turbo. I can't believe that. Bearings feel good. Yeah, I've already managed to get one bolt out, but I just need to get the other one out now, so. Wait a second, was I turning it the wrong way? Yeah, I was turning it the wrong way, what a dick. Oh, so the vacuum hose is up, but it's still very stiff. Go. Take a look at this. It is just clogged. It should be free moving, because I've seen this on a YouTube video, but as you can see, it is rather stiff, to say the least. So, EGR valve secured. My grandparents are going to be sleeping right now, so they like their afternoon nap, you see. And basically, I've got a couple of hours to kill before I take the dog for a walk. I'm a bit of a dickhead as well because I wore a white shirt. But I need to get a glass of water, right? Because I haven't drunk anything all day. So, it's cold, my eyes are burning from the cold. Anyway, we're running. Dog's just done a shit, so I've had to stop. And it's a lovely evening. Just look at this. It's pretty spectacular, to say the least. But anyway, off we go. Oh, get some sprays. Be back soon. So just editing now. I'm not really sure what that laugh was, but it sounds like I was possessed by some sort of Pennywise. But yeah, terribly sorry if you're scared of clowns, but yeah, that's staying in the edit. So, we'll just see how we go. It's still not 100%, which is slightly concerning. cars down here. I mean, it's pretty pokey still. Definitely better than it was. I mean, you can't see anything actually because it is quite dark. So, obviously been a few months now. It's now 2nd of April, so yeah, it's quite a long way away from November. But basically what happened, I needed a new one. Been a bit of a weird one really. That's basically it for today's video. If you did enjoy, be sure to smash that like button. If you are indeed new around here, then you may as well subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.